Welcome to the future of innovation. In a world propelled by data, Oracle stands at the forefront of transformation. Today, we delve into Oracle's groundbreaking AI services, catalysts reshaping industries worldwide. Oracle's role in this groundbreaking work? Providing the robust foundation with its cloud infrastructure and AI services. This partnership empowers ambitious goals, amplifying the potential for breakthroughs in various fields. Oracle takes a leap forward, unveiling 6 AI services. These services span image understanding, speech analysis, predictive maintenance, data labeling, and sales forecasting. They're not just groundbreaking, they're accessible via Oracle's public cloud, allowing businesses to train AI models using their existing data. Oracle's AI is more than a service, it's an ecosystem. Machine learning tools, embedded AI in software, and a new data lakehouse platform revolutionize machine learning by combining structured and unstructured data for simpler data prep. Despite the buzz around AI, implementation remains a hurdle. Operational cost decreases from AI adoption are limited, signifying challenges in scaling initiatives beyond pilot phases. Governments are investing significantly in AI infrastructure. Initiatives like the EU's budget allocation and the National AI Research Resource Task Force in the US underscore the strategic importance of AI in national development. Oracle aims for smooth AI adoption, targeting efficiency with AI services and cloud tech. Picture businesses gaining efficiency sans heavy reliance on data scientists, propelling faster AI integration. From insurance automating document analysis to manufacturing predicting weather impacts and retail utilizing sentiment analysis, AI's potential spans diverse sectors, revolutionizing operations and customer experiences. Data is the backbone of AI development. Oracle simplifies data management, freeing data engineers and empowering scientists to focus on impactful model building. Oracle's commitment to transforming industries through AI and data-driven innovation, a beacon of progress in an ever-evolving technological landscape. This video highlights Oracle's pivotal role in advancing AI adoption across industries. For more insightful videos demonstrating how Oracle services can revolutionize your business with AI, make sure to connect with Intelloger. Dive deeper into Oracle's innovative AI solutions and discover how they can elevate your operations to new heights. Thank you.